Welcome children, this is Trinity Academy Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Welcome children, this is Trinity Academy Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I am your EVS teacher. Now I am going to teach lesson 3, the right clothes to wear. Long ago, people lived in caves. They used animal skin, leaves and the bark of trees to cover themselves. Gradually, they learnt the art of weaving and stitching clothes. Nowadays, people wear different types of clothes. We need clothes for different seasons like cotton dress, woolen cloths, raincoat, linen dress, synthetic dress, etc. Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to protect us from dust, heat, cold, rain and insect bites. If we wear the same dress for many hours, it becomes dirty. Dust settles on it. If we do not wear clothes, the dirt would stick to our body. Clothes protect us from dust. Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to protect us from dust, heat, cold, rain and insect bites. If we wear the same dress for many hours, it becomes dirty. Dust settles on it. If we do not wear clothes, the dirt would stick to our body. Clothes protect us from dust. People covered part of the body is protected from the sun, whereas the uncovered part gets tanned. This shows that clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. During winter, we wear warm clothes that protect us from the cold. When we go out in the rain, we wear a raincoat. They are made of waterproof material. A raincoat protects us from the rain. When we go out in the rain, we wear a raincoat. They are made of waterproof material. A raincoat protects us from the rain. If we wear long sleeved clothes at night, we can protect ourselves from mosquito bites. Clothes therefore protect us from insect bites too. If we wear long sleeved clothes at night, we can protect ourselves from mosquito bites. Clothes therefore protect us from insect bites too. The next topic is natural fibers. Natural fibers are made from parts of plants or animals. We get fibers like cotton, jute and linen from plants. We get fibers like wool, silk and fur from animals. The next one is synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers like nylon, rayon and polyester are not found in nature. They are prepared artificially and are called human-made fabrics. These fabrics are stretchable, waterproof and wrinkle-free. They dry very quickly. Synthetic fabrics are non-porous. The next topic is the clothes we wear. In hot weather, we wear clothes made of cotton. Cotton clothes allow the body heat to escape. Cotton clothes absorb sweat also. White or light colored clothes suit the hot weather because they reflect the heat and keep the body cool. In cold weather, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes prevent the body heat from escaping and keep our body warm. People living in different regions wear different types of clothes depending on the climate and the local custom. The dress of a person living in Srinagar will be different from that of a person living in Chennai. People living in different countries wear different types of clothes. Some clothes are worn by people of certain areas only. These are called traditional clothes. Sari is the most common dress worn by women in India. The next one is clothes at workplace. Doctors and nurses wear white coats. Soldiers wear a uniform made from tough material so that it does not tear easily. People working in factories wear overalls. You wear a uniform to school so that you can be recognized as a student of your school. The next topic is socks and shoes. We wear socks and shoes to protect our feet from dust, heat, cold, germs and worms. Walking barefoot can cause cuts. Dirt, germs and worms may get into the cut and cause an infection. Do not wear wet or dirty socks or tight shoes. The next one is care of clothes. Clean clothes make us look smart and feel comfortable. Dirty clothes can cause skin diseases. We must always wear clean clothes to stay healthy. Dirty clothes should be washed with soap or detergent. After washing, the clothes should be dried in the sun. Clothes should be ironed to look neat. Silk and woolen cloths should be washed with mild soap or detergent. A patient's clothes must always be disinfected with an antiseptic solution. The next topic is storing of clothes. Clothes need good care, especially silk and woolen clothes, because certain insects feed on silk and wool. Therefore, once the season is over, these clothes must be kept out in the sun for a few hours or dry cleaned. They should then be stored properly. Keep mothballs or dried neem leaves between the folds of silk and woolen clothes. These keep insects away. Proper care of clothes make them last longer. Once again I repeat the lesson shortly, children. Clothes protect us from dust, heat, cold, rain and insect bites. We must wear clothes that are suited to the climate. Shoes and socks protect our feet from dust, heat, cold and infection. Clean clothes make us look smart and keep us healthy. Regular washing and proper storing of clothes make them last longer. Thank you, children. We will see in the next class. Thank you.